Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Tech Post Guides, and today I have the Amazon Basics DSLR bag that I've been using for last 3 months. And today I'm going to review this DSLR bag and all the good things about this DSLR carry bag, which is available for just 1200 bucks or roughly $15. So let's get started with this video. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now overall, I have no complaint about this bag because I wanted a DSLR bag that doesn't look like a backpack, but then it should also look stylish at the same time and convenient to use. So this bag offers everything I need. This is the first and the top compartment where I keep all my heavy stuff and camera attachments, such as this long lavalier microphone from Ahuja. Got it for 800 rupees and the link is in the description. So basically all the heavy stuff and extra things goes in here, and it does have a small zipper pocket also where I keep stuff such as aux cable and thumb drive, and also the card reader, and sometimes the portable M.2 SSD. Now let's go to this front compartment where I keep my camera charger, the battery charger, and it has an elastic mesh also where I can keep teeny tiny stuff, such as I've currently have this aux pin here. So yeah, you can also keep your extra batteries in here if you want. It just makes it easy to pull out things and just attach it to your camera whenever you need. And here's the main compartment where I keep my camera, and it opens like this. So just look at this. I have my SD cards in the small mesh pockets, which makes it easier to take them out and switch between as the card fills up. Then there is a bigger zipper inside where I can keep extra stuff. So for now I have kept my small lavalier microphone which works with smartphone. I bought it for 250 rupees only. Now this is the area where I keep my camera safe and secure. I can also carry 2 extra lenses with this camera in the side pockets. But here's the best thing about this DSLR carry bag that no DSLR bag offers. It has single shoulder strap, and now look at this. I can carry it like this. It's well balanced and well cushioned, and the cushioning is just perfect on the shoulders. Now when I have to use my camera, I just have to detach this strap with a click and move back like this. Take out my camera, take a shot or a video, and then put it right back inside, and then reposition the camera bag just like this. So this way my camera stays safe from any accidental damage during travel or during shooting a video or a photograph whenever I need to. Now this makes use of my camera very quick, at the same time very secure whenever I need to use it, which is the thing that I like the most about this camera bag, which none other DSLR carry bag offers. The fabric, it's very nice and design is good, and I also carry my carbon fiber tripod which goes well with this. It's a small tripod. I'll be creating a video on that too, so just stay tuned for that. Overall, a perfect companion for my DSLR camera kit. Another good thing about this DSLR bag, which you might not find in any other DSLR bag at this price range, is this rain cover. This is attached to this DSLR bag, so you just have to take it out, and within a few seconds you have your bag and DSLR camera and all the accessories protected from sudden rain showers or splashes. And I'm really happy with my purchase, and this bag is available, as I said, on Amazon's website all over the world because it comes from the Amazon Basics. So you can use the link in the description to get it right now. And if you are looking for a budget DSLR bag, look no further. I'm sure that you will be happy with this bag than any other, just like I am. 3 months of usage and it still looks new. So let me know what you think about this camera bag, and do you know any good alternative to this bag? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Have a great day guys.